Hey guys, it's Bob from TechSource, and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your iPhone 6 smartphone so you can use it with any carrier or country. For this demonstration, I'll be using my T-Mobile iPhone 6 and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network. So first off, we need to get an unlock code to start the unlocking process. One of the best and most trusted websites that I use to get my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because their prices are unbeatable and their customer service is the best on the market. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone's manufacturer and your phone's model from the drop-down list. On the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it from the United States and the original carrier is T-Mobile. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the iPhone, and the way you can look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select Get Unlocking Code and that'll take you to the final screen where you have to check out. So once you receive the OK from the unlocking company letting you know that they remotely unlocked your iPhone, you have to finish the unlocking process yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Make sure that the phone is powered off before we continue. Now remove the SIM tray from the phone and insert in the SIM card that you wish to use with the iPhone. I want to use the iPhone 6 with my AT&T network, so I'm putting in my AT&T SIM card. If the SIM card does not fit in properly, then you have to adjust the size. I will leave a link in the description section to show you how that's done properly. After you insert the SIM tray back into the phone, go ahead and power it back on. Once the phone boots up, you will get an error message stating that the SIM card is invalid, which is completely fine. At this point, you have to connect your iPhone 6 to the computer and open up iTunes. Once iTunes recognizes the iPhone 6, it will ask you to sign into Apple ID to finish the unlocking process. So after logging in with your Apple ID, you will get a message stating that your phone is unlocked and you can start using it immediately. So that is how you unlock your iPhone 6. If this video was helpful, feel free to leave a like. And if you run into any problems or have any questions, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. This is Bob from TechSource, and I'll see you next time.